not doing another one.
Santa is ears. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh.
And we are going to the big bags.
Oh, so let me read what is on it. So this says, Rodonna, my joy profound. In life's dance, you are the sweetest sound. No change I would seek, no other to compare. Merry Christmas, love beyond compare, from mom to you.
A ChatGPT writing down it. Them help you though. Them help you. Thank this. No wonder it need more time. Newspaper, hold on. I'm not giving my hand them dirty. Use the wrapper series.
Santa Claus, do you ever come
I'm
to
supposed to take him ever go watch out. But touch and watch me and now, man.
take your time?
No,
Goodness.
you didn't take your time. You don't clean that for me there, mommy. Again! So. You have to go watch me and before I got my bed now, you know. And then I'm
Take your time.
You know me got my bed door.
You delicate that door.
Yes, I'm the one to go. Material nice. I have nails but we can't open the box. So much funny. Oh, wow. We got my nails.
So you can do facial, nails, massage, whatever you want, you can choose it.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're not done.
Yeah, my daughter can't believe so mommy spent so much money on her for this Christmas. You deserve it. You have done well in school.
Hey. A graduation gift?
No, it's not graduation yet. But just a small token to say how much I appreciate you for being obedient, for being kind, for being nice, for your hard work in school, for just being dedicated and to be of service to others. Thank you for being who you are, Rodonna. Mommy loves you.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas!